Now, since having administration witnesses is a rarity this Congress, I do want to talk a bit about TSA. Acting Administrator McNeill, I want to note that I am the top Democrat on the Transportation and Maritime Security Subcommittee, but this is the first time we have met. In fact, this is the first time we have had a single TSA witness before the full committee or any subcommittee this Congress, even as the majority is embarking on an effort to reauthorize the agency. Ms. McNeill, as with other DHS components, this administration has been lawless in its direction for TSA. Last month, Secretary Nguyen tried to abolish the workforce's collective bargaining rights in a blatant defiance of a court order to keep them in place. My fellow Democrats and I wrote to the Secretary and to you to demand that you halt those efforts, and I am glad that a court has since ruled that those efforts are in fact illegal. However, we still did not hear from you. Ms. McNeill, I recognize you have no control over Kristi Noem's lawlessness and cannot speak to whether she will continue to break the law. But speaking for yourself in this moment, yes or no, will you commit to abiding by the court order to keep TSA's collective bargaining agreement in place and fully honor its provisions?
Every step that the Secretary and that we have taken has been in compliance with the courts.
Is that yes or no? I'm speaking on behalf of you, not Secretary Nguyen. Will you commit to that? Will you commit to the provision?
Will continue to be in compliance.
Will you commit to the provision as the acting administrator? Yes or no?
We are both.
Okay.
Both
I'll go to my next questions, Ms. McNeill, because you're going to do this today. I don't have much time, okay? Ms. McNeill, what has TSA done prior to providing passenger data to ICE to ensure compliance with the law?
We are acting within our absolute authorities. We are part of the Department of Homeland Security. It was a department that was set up by Congress to ensure that these agencies weren't operating in silos, and that's what we are doing today, to advance the mission, the national security mission of the department.
Ms. McNeill, TSA mission is to secure transportation, not to assist ICE with immigration enforcement. There is no law that forbids undocumented people from flying domestically within the U.S. The vast majority of undocumented people have no criminal record and pose absolutely no threat to aviation. Under what authority is TSA sharing passenger data with ICE?
We are absolutely within our authorities to share information within the Department of Homeland Security to further the national security mission.
What statute are you following or policy? Point to the policy or the statute that you are following. Under what authority is TSA sharing passenger data with ICE, that you are allowed to do that?
We are allowed to do that.
What policy or statute are you following?
I can get you the exact policy.
Oh, please do. We will wait on that. With that, I yield back, Mr. Chairman.